In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Visual Studio Code profile from a template. Setting up profiles in Visual Studio Code is a great way to keep different configurations for different types of work. For example, you might want one profile for web development, another for data science, or a minimal setup for live presentations. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a brand new profile using one of the built-in templates, so you can get started quickly without configuring everything from scratch. First, open Visual Studio Code. Look down at the bottom left corner of the window. You should see the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to your settings, extensions, themes, and more. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Profiles. Click on Profiles. This is where Visual Studio Code groups together your settings, extensions, and interface layout, so you can switch between different setups with just a couple of clicks. Once the Profiles panel is open, you'll see your current profile and some options related to it. Look for a small arrow next to the profile options or near the profiles heading. It's usually a tiny drop-down arrow. Click on that small arrow to reveal more profile actions. This is where Visual Studio Code lets you import, export, and create profiles, including the option to use templates. After you click the arrow, a menu will appear. In that menu, find and click on From Template. This tells Visual Studio Code that you want to create a new profile based on one of the predefined templates, rather than starting from an empty profile. Now you should see a list of available templates. These might include templates optimized for different languages or workflows. Take a moment to look through them and decide which one best matches what you're trying to do. When you've found the one you want to use, click to select that template. Once your template is selected, look for the Create button, usually at the bottom or corner of the dialog. Click on Create. Visual Studio Code will now generate a new profile using that template's settings and recommended extensions. After it's created, your new profile becomes active right away. From here, you can customize it further by adjusting settings, changing themes, or adding and removing extensions, all while keeping it separate from your other profiles.